This is a review on a fairly new product called Power Grip from Camco, and it's a bag that's designed to hold all your power cords and accessories. And I just got this, so this is my first look at it. And what I liked about this bag is that it's a two-tier bag. And by the way, this is around $26, so it's really not that expensive. And it looks like it's made fairly well. And there's two sections. There's a top section, which is where all your bulky cables go, and then there's a bottom section that is designed with these compartments, designed to hold all of your accessories, like your adapters, dog bones, surge suppressors, and things like that. So I've packed the bottom section with several different dog bones. I have like 5 different dog bones of different types of adapters, a 50 amp surge suppressor and a 30 amp surge suppressor, because if you're on a 30 amp circuit, the 50 amp suppressor is not going to give you the best protection. So we'll close this and see how much we can get in the top side. And that is a 20-foot 50 amp extension cord. And here is my 30-foot 50 amp main power cord. So I've got 50 foot of 50 amp service in here. And I probably can actually get a little bit more in here, but you know, I don't want to make this thing too heavy. But we'll just throw this little extension in here just for the heck of it. Does seem a little lopsided, but let's see if we can straighten it up a little bit. And the owner's manual here does state that it'll handle a 50 amp 50 foot cord, and that's what we've got in here. It's item 55014 by Camco, and it just gives you some ideas of how to use it. So we'll try it out, and I'll do a follow-up video if the thing does not hold up under use.